LX250, the machine for cutting big diameter logs. So maximum size logs we can cut on this machine is 1.4 meter big logs, and this idea about the LX250 came from America. The US engineering team designed this machine based on the US customer comments that they need a machine which can process big diameter logs, but the machine must be simple and economic. So we designed the LX250 based on the LT15 head components. So as you see the head, it looks very similar to LT15, LX100, 150 in America. The designers, they took this head as a base for the design changes, and they make the throat very wide. So the distance between rollers, from roller to roller here, is 138 centimeters. So very wide opening of the throat, what allows to cut that big logs, plus we have maximum can size which can be cut on this machine of 125 centimeters. Also the distance between the mast posts is very wide, 1.6 meter. So big logs can be very easily put on the bed sections and cut for boards and slabs. This is LX type machine, and typically LX in Wood-Mizer offer, this is a twin rail system. So we have a different mast, and the head is hanging on two chains with the up-down system installed on the mast. So a few more words about the mast. We'll come here, okay. So the head is installed on the mast. Mast is basically connected with the bed sections on 4 rollers working on the 22 millimeters diameter rods. And the up-down system is on 2 chains, so we have the drive system installed on the mast, and with the gearbox and middle transmission shaft, we have 2 chains moving smoothly up and down. So during presentation you will see how easy, how smooth the head is being positioned for next cut. The power feed, we have 2 electric gear motors installed on 2 sides of the mast, and they are basically working with the chain, pushing and pulling the mast across the sections. Each gear motor is 0.75 kilowatt in power, so in total we have 1.5 kilowatt power installed here. Very smooth movement. These electric motors, they are controlled from the operator place by operator. As you see, operator panel is exactly the same like in LT15. So it's a new generation of panels which we would like to use in LT15s and LX machines. So we have again the green button, which is just activating the start function, and then from this panel operator can control up-down movement of the head and the power feed. We have potentiometer, and these 2 gear motors, they are moving the head in and out with the adjustable speed starting from 0 to 20 meters per minute, and the return speed is fixed 20 meters per minute. Also, in addition to the operator panel, we have on the side of the electric box the ammeter, which is showing the current load of the main motor. This is very helpful for the operator sawing a big diameter logs. He can control the load of the main motor and adjust the moving speed to have the best cutting conditions. The wide head requires a longer blade, and the blade for this model is very long. It's 547 centimeters in length. So now I would like to start Tomek to give us a short demo how easy this machine is processing a big log and creating cans. And after that I will say a few more words. You see how easy it was to cut 2 slabs. So this big log, which is in the widest part, probably more than 1.2 meter in diameter, was very easy to process. So a few more words about the controlling. So of course the blade guide arm in this machine is electric and is coming electric as standard. We have SW10 set works for head positioning. This is also coming as a standard. The bed sections, here we have 3 bed sections connected together, 185 centimeter long each. So in total we have 5.55 meter maximum bed length, which is offering 4 meter cutting length. Also machine can be extended, and each section we are adding is adding the same length, 185 centimeter to the total cutting length.